Hey guys, so now I am going to show you how to sew a French seam, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the wrong side and this is the right side or the front side. Okay, so if you don't have a machine that makes this kind of stitch, you can use the French seam. By the way, the machine that is used for this one is called the serger. Okay, so French seam are best for sheer materials, or if you don't have a serger, and if you don't want to include lining, just like this. This is also best for barong. Okay, so let's start. Of course, the materials that I'm using are Duchess satin in ultra white and royal blue because I love them. Sure. Okay, so take note that they should be wrong sides together instead of right sides together. Okay, so next, do a regular stitch right here around 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. Open and lay flat, then thumb press. And then the next thing that you will do is just flip it. Okay, so now they are right sides together. This seam will be hidden because we are going to stitch here away from the edge around 1/2 of an inch seam allowance. Okay, so now there you have it. It's very pretty. So this is the inside part or the wrong side. And then when you flip it, see? It's nice, right? This is now the right side. You can use this for materials that are sheer or for barong, or if you don't want to put lining, or if you don't have a serger or something. So that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys.